everyone, my name is Zinedine Zulifatul Fajr. My NPM 2020 12500-823, and today I will explain about my video is social attitude in young British generation. Social attitude in young British generation. Social attitudes are individual attitudes directed toward social objects. Collective attitudes are individual attitudes so strongly interconditioned by collective contact that they become highly standardized and uniform within the group. While most social attitudes are thus collectively interconditioned and standardized, others, such as those of antisocial and maladjusted individuals and of persons living in advance of their time, are also important. The attitude is originally a trial response, i.e. interrupted, preparatory or substitute behavior arising within an incomplete adjustment response, but it may become the permanent set of the organism. And what the meaning of younger generation in English? Younger generation in the next or rising generation, especially viewed in contrast to one's own, and often with sometimes disapproving reference to the attitudes and values associated with it. So let's learn more about the social attitude of young British generation. What is a typical British attitude? Brits are famous for being stoic, especially in the face of hardship. While, of course, not all Brits prefer to keep their emotions bottled up, many do, preferring to work toward a solution rather than spend valuable time moping. And the important to young people is being healthy and having access to things that support good physical and emotional health. Caring for each other and looking after people in the community when they need help. Looking after the environment. Having accessible place that everyone can get to. And these are just a few of the many kinds of attitudes or habits of the British that will become a hereditary habit that will be carried on by the next generation of British youth. You might feel as though you will never understand British culture, which can often be subtle and contradictory. However, there is some method to the madness, generally speaking. Brits are polite and practical people, and many of their habits stem from these traits. Apologizing. Bump into someone, say sorry before walking away. Need to get someone's attention, say sorry, can you blah blah blah. Need to squeeze past someone in a crowded room, you guess it. Say sorry as you move past. A lot of Brits do their best not to inconvenience others, and if they feel they've been bothersome in any way, they'll apologize. Queuing. Brits are known for their love of queuing, and they take it very seriously. There is really no excuse for jumping to the front of the queue. Even if you are in a hurry, you should not try to cut in front of others, as this is seen as incredibly rude. Having a cup of tea. Of all the habits listed here, this is probably the most famous. Brits drink almost 36 billion cups of tea every year. British tea culture dates back centuries, and for many Brits, having a cup of tea at least once a day is an absolute must. They drink it with breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and usually in between meals as well. In Britain, there is no sadness that can be cured by a hot cup of tea. And next, talking about the weather. Talking about the weather is practically the national sport in the UK. British weather can change in an instant, and Brits like to say that one can experience 4 seasons in a day. Whether in hot or cold, raining likely or chucking downhill, the weather is a source of endless entertainment. Keeping a stiff upper lip. Do you know those famous posters that say keep calm and carry on? Well, they sum up Britain attitude perfectly. Brits are famous for being stoic, especially in the face of hardship. While of course not all Brits prefer to keep their emotion bottled up, many do, preferring to work towards a solution rather than spend valuable time moping. After studying the habits and attitude of the British, let's discuss what are characteristics of youth today. The young generation is usually very spontaneous and adventurous. They are full of energy and are always ready to have fun. In their world, parties and technology have taken the majority of place. They enjoy life, and there is no space for worries and sadness in their life. Therefore, as the younger generation, it will be nice to know various types of attitudes, and here will be explained the type of attitude along with example. Type of attitude: positive attitude, confidence, optimism, sincerity, and reliability are traits that represent positive attitude. Negative attitude, hatred, pessimism, resentment, and doubt are traits that represent negative attitude. And there are the example of positive attitude and negative attitude. The example of positive attitude. Here are some examples of a positive attitude in action. A. Smiling and being kind to others. B. Practicing self-compassion. C. Not taking things personally. D. Being happy for others' success. E. Changing your perspective. Your perspective has a powerful influence on your life and happiness. The example of negative attitudes. A. Self-defeating talk. B. Negative assumptions. C. Negative comparison with others. D. Negative rumination about the past. E. Disempowering belief about difficult people. F. The desire to blame. G. The struggle to forgive yourself. H. The fear of failure and making mistakes. In conclusion, the social attitudes, behaviors, and experiences of young people paint a complex picture of gradual change and continuity over the next 10 years. However, in some sectors, such as those affected by technological change, There is a lot more uncertainty and the potential for more rapid change. There are a number of positive stories to tell about this generation of young people. For example, a range of risk behaviors and negative outcomes are declining amongst young people, such as drug taking, teenager pregnancies, drinking, smoking, and crime. Also, the high level of aspirations among young people, emphasis on personal responsibility and community engagement provide good reason for optimism about social change over the next 10 years. However, there are also potential concerns, for instance around declining mainstream political engagement, low levels of social trust, and the potential negative impact of digital technologies. Maybe that's my explanation of the material about social attitude in young British generation. More or less, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.